Well, hello YouTube land. Can you believe it's the same car? Holy shit. Still got little bits of stuff left. But holy shit. Smooth. Need to do some more detailing on it. But god damn. She came out amazing. Still gotta remove that little bit of mold in there, but I'll be later. I'm gonna type my bug right now, one sec. As you can see, she's been fully debadged. Center caps are on. That one looks a bit far. I'll have to punch down back in. But still, can you believe it's the same car? There we go. She has come a long way. Even smells nice in here. I got to tighten this up still. I've been lazy on that one. Place that mirror. Same headliner. What we got here, officer? What'd you leave me? Save 25%. What else is up here? I don't know what that is. I got bored and threw a center console in. And a bunch of other keys I forgot. Still, she is amazing. Five right up. Okay, music. Turn that off. Reach the door open. Close that up. Only got a few things left. Got the proper buckle here. Got to wire this one up. It's not the exact color, and the seat's still not right. But that'll all come later. But look at those doors. Look how nice the doors are. So yeah, I did a little mock cop setup here with the stuff. Nothing here's hooked up. I happen to have this console from a wreck. But doesn't she look beautiful? Tell me, going back to when I first got this car, would you believe it's the same car? I doubt it. She has been completely revived. Okay, not completely, but mostly. Still gotta do that one. That seat's still thrashed. I'm debating on what I'm gonna do with the interior. Yeah, she still got some dirt there. I threw in the radar guns and stuff I've had. This is cool. This is the original license plate for this car. It's still here. Crossroads Ford of VA. Keeping that. I mean, just look at her. Just doing a moisture check because I didn't do the best job of this hole. It's dry. A little slide out rack in there. Police console. I have to replace one bulb here because it's burnt out. It gives me hyper flash. Looks like you did a little bump on the bumper there. No big deal. And all that's left on it now is really the transmission. still funny. I mean, think about how she started. Oh yeah, if you're familiar with my channel, came off of that blue and white Charger I had. Antenna was the one I got from the auction. But she is gorgeous. Oh, and tires. I need to put tires on her. These tires are shot. Listen to her run. Not a miss, not a sound. Fresh oil, brand new fuel pump. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna replace the headlights and side markers because you have to. They're cheap enough. Keep doing this as backup for the next Vic. I mean, she's just good looking. Just need to get this glass cleaned up. I mean, it is stained. This one's bad. This side's okay. This one was down the entire time, so of course this one would be good. That entire side came off that 04, so yeah. There is still one quirk I learned about this car. For some reason, one control is backwards on this one mirror, and that's weird. Oh, and that is the mileage. She is 98805. So watch, if I push out, she comes in, push in, she goes out. Meanwhile, this one, push out, goes out, push in, it goes in. I have no idea. I'm thinking it's because it came from an 04. Maybe the mirror's wiring is a little bit different. I don't know. But still got music playing in the background. I thought I'd turn that off. Let's see. Real registration. I'm going to find an original picture of this car. Let's see. Where is your tag? One 6576 L. Definitely gotta look that up. I'm gonna take a picture of that. One sec. Let me zoom in on that. My dirty ass finger. Come on. That's good enough. So yeah, I just decided to slap a little bit of the old police stuff in here. Actually fits really nicely in here. I mean, look how low this thing is. I can just put up my phone up here anytime I want if I get the one-way glue. I just realized the glove box light works. Bleh. Holy shit, I can't talk today. Passenger airbag off. Yes, it is. Still cannot believe how well this car came out. I want to get that pit flip out of there. It's bugging the shit out of me. You can see how long it's been there. It's left an indent. Look at it. This is perfect. I leave these back cup holders for passengers. Tell me it's not perfect. The other thing that's, like I said, so I need 4 tires. Need a transmission, number 1. And then I gotta put the rod back in that one door. That's it. Now, right now I'm into the car. I'd say $2,000. A little under $2,000. $650. Yeah, maybe like $1,500. The biggest issue is gonna be that trans. That's gonna kill me. That's gonna probably be another 1,000. So 2,800 for an under 100k mile car. Not bad still. If I sell this car at an auction, probably go for 5 or 6. Oh, sorry, private sale 5 or 6, maybe up to 7. Because she is in good shape now. Her paint is good. It's only small things left. If I wanted to be 100%, I'd switch out the driver's seat, but that's not important right now. I just need to get the small things done with. Someone's driving by me. Debating on putting cruise control in here. Debating on it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. It's not important yet. The blend door. Wait a minute, is it? No. With the 03, sometimes you can put in low. Nah, I'm gonna do a blend door on her. Oh, that came back to life. When did you decide to live? I was about to replace you. When did you come back? You know what? I don't care. You're living, so I don't have to worry about that anymore. Sorry, that just caught me off guard. The old cop's shades is still up here. I forget. Does it? Oh, ow. Not ow. It does. Okay, good. Telescoping. Visors. I mean, just think about it, guys. This car was left for dead. Completely left for dead. Unbelievable. That's now running perfectly fine. In a minute, I'm going to take you guys around the block. Because I feel like we need to do that. Wait for this one car to pass. But, it is just amazing. I don't need a seatbelt. It's not wired up yet. So, I'll put you guys... Dude, look at my double chin. Holy fuck. Oh, that does not look good. Looks like... Never mind. Put this thing away. This way. You know what? Let's see if I can pin this up here with the rear view. No, I cannot. That's a shitty view. I'm trying, guys. Give me a second. Spotlight's not going to help me there. Okay, that might work. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, I have you guys on the dash pinned up. If you fall over, you fall over. My dumbass is still trying to reach for a seatbelt. So right now we're in regular. Yes, car, I'm not wearing my seatbelt. You don't even give me 5 seconds to start moving before you tell me. By the way, if I didn't mention before, this car is called Bird Box. Just because of the whole weird thing with finding a bird's nest inside of the intake. I'm gonna give it a little gas. Oh, I'm gonna fall over. There's one. That's the bad tires. And slips. Nothing there. So, that's where the issue lies. I'll make a U-turn here. Alright. Ooh, wow. That is right in the damn way. Let me... That was stuck. Okay. Glad I tested that now. So, Crown Vic has one more trick for us. Trying to overdrive off. We're going the exact same way. Not yet. I have to go and make the left-hand turn here. Yeah, she needs tires bad. I'm waiting to find a good cheap set. I know. Contradiction. Here we go. She won't pop out of gear now. Get overdrive off, but she's stuck in second. Crown Vics, man. Even when they're damaged, they still bring you home. Whoever designed this car, you know what? On the Crown Vic. Give them credit where credit is due. Because name a car that can do that. I don't know many that can. Because shut up. Okay, you know what? That's the annoying part. But yeah, this car has come a long way. I even got to use some parts I was saving from the auction. I unlocked smart unlocking with 4 scan, so that's beautiful on this thing. I mean, let's look at that red mark. I mean, just look at her. Same exact car. Can you guys believe it? I am going to try and find a picture of this car in active service. Because that's just cool to have. I'm just taking pictures as I walk around because I like the memories. Yeah, this car might be cool enough to get me to break one of my rules. I have a "Do you believe in ghosts" sticker for the Ghost of Ukraine. I might put that right here. But yeah, I'm done for now. We'll do more work on her later on. Make her just perfect. She will go off that transmission because she's worth it. Every sense of the word. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. You know what? One last thing is the shit and giggle. One last thing, guys. So I found this online. And I couldn't say no. My car in diecast form. Full code. That's hilarious to me. But yeah, thanks for watching. Revy, up. You missed. Revy, come here. Up. Revy, come here. She's slipping on the grass. Revy, up. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.